Boy, get out and enjoy today if you can, folks. Maybe the last one for a while, right, Keith?
Yeah, you think about the stats of hitting 60 again. Usually we get 1 or 2 freak days in the middle of winter, right? But in general, yeah, the party is probably over for a while. Radar showing you the warm front that came through last night as well to our north, so we're in the warm sector. That's why we have a chance to be pretty mild today. Temperatures have lagged a little bit here into central Maine compared to what I thought we'd end up with. I'll show you that in a second, but part of that is we're not seeing enough sun. Western Maine and southwestern Maine are. So you can see that Augusta, for example, only 50, but we're in the upper 60s in Portsmouth. And I do think from Wiscasset to Freiburg and into Portland, we'll get in the 60s later this afternoon. North of Bangor, we're staying in the 40s and even 30s there. The front is just not far enough north. So it's dry through the rest of this afternoon. Tonight, some showers start to move in with a cold front. Those showers congeal a little bit into more consistent rain, it looks like, after midnight tonight along the coastline. Even a couple of downpours possible early tomorrow morning. But by about 6, 7 o'clock, most of the state is dried out. Just some rain still over down East Maine. That moves out by mid-morning. The rest of tomorrow looks good. Temperatures are falling, though, only into the 40s for a high. And then a nice day on Saturday. A lot of sunshine. Crisp, though. Again, 40s will do it for highs, and we start, most of us, in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. Looks like we should be dry for the second half of the weekend on Sunday as well, but a little bit cloudier for Sunday. I went quickly through that for a reason, which is we have a lot to talk about for early next week. We talked yesterday about how this storm was going to be around, and the best scenario would be rain and some wind on Monday, and then the storm gets out of here. That's what the models were doing yesterday, and I said I didn't trust it. Turns out that was the right gut to have, because watch what happens now. Rain and wind on Monday, a little break there on Tuesday, middle of the day, then the secondary low loops back in for Wednesday and perhaps into Thanksgiving itself, giving us more rain, some inland mixed precipitation, and perhaps some more wind. So I think it looks pretty unsettled through early next week, straight through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And as I mentioned, Thanksgiving is still up for grabs right now as to whether or not it remains unsettled. Now, are we talking about a big snowstorm? No. But I do think this could be enough to disrupt travel, especially air travel. I don't think it'll be a big problem for driving. Cindy, the issue with this is that this will also disrupt most of our connecting flights coming out of Maine. So when you think about the JFKs, LaGuardias, and all that, they'll also be impacted. So not much you can do if you've got plans right now. Just be aware there might be some issues with that early next week.
Bumps in the road.
Yeah.
All right, as usual. All right, Keith, thank you.